I feel like crossing the road in a non-designated area is very frowned upon in Sweden.
I like that clap you're doing every time you speak.
Actually, back of the hand as well, not even like regular.
Do you want to say where we are?
We're in Stockholm. We're going to a skateboard shop. Let's go.
I think it's way more, right? It's Carhartt too? No, it's a passport outside. It's Carhartt.
This is the Beastie Boys, that's cool.
Sabotage, James, you like that song?
I do. It's an absolutely lovely rendition. That's yellow, it's kind of Swedish.
I kind of do like this one, man, to be honest. Different. It's really trippy. Alice. That one or the all white one?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, okay.
What'd you buy?
Not give me any warning there.
Sorry.
Just warn me.
What'd you buy?
Hey, how's it going, guys? It's good to see you back in the vlog here. We bought a skateboard. It's me playing it. Like a guitar. Anyway, we bought this skateboard, which is currently upside down.
Doesn't matter.
Flip the camera. And basically, what's going on the wall? See ya! That'd be a really good shot if the cable for the microphone wasn't in the way. Do you want to do a stunt the whole way down there?
What kind of stunt?
Flat out.
I think you can put my t-shirt over this.
That look really terrible.
Does this look better? Oh yeah, that's the business there.
You look good, mate.
What do you think?
You look marvellous.
Wow!
Right, I'm gonna fly the whole way down this hill and then clear that railing.
You're gonna clear it?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
What do you mean clear it?
Bunny hop?
Alright, yes.
Where do you see my bunny hop?
So this is not work.
How high was it?
Probably not high enough to clear the rail.
Well, I think I could probably go higher, but now I'm scared I'll break it singing off.
I reckon so.
Looks like you've taken a hard fall. I fell, but I'm okay. Maybe I won't do my mad stunt.
Yeah, it's probably best not to.
How high was it?
Not very. 3 or 4 centimeters. Still some pretty sick wheel spins.
What was that?
That was pretty good luck.
I got.
Did you ever take her off any sweet jumps?
Yeah,
Firing out.
Rip it right up the road, bro. Hello. My scooter died. What's up?
Hello.
Oh shit.
Oh, there's some other way.
Scooter gang!
James, it's so fast.
Hurry up.
We're lit. There's also a skateboard t-shirt.
Yeah, we have a skateboard as well. So basically we're like near the end of like the jail fence. James,
little scooter, go!
my scooter turned off. James is just keeping her lit, boy! Take me home, scooter man. Take me home. Scooter ran out. Apparently it doesn't go the whole way to the hotel. Here, we don't know how far to go though, James. Oh wait. Just fucking way across this bridge. It's over there somewhere. So basically, we thought that app would, thought it was stupid and we thought we could fool it. And
Yeah.
basically we couldn't, so we came the whole way across the bridge, out of the geo fence, and now we are walking.
It's alright though, because we threw the scooters off the bridge.
James, James.
I mean, we didn't throw the scooters off the bridge. Scooters, very good idea.
Definitely a fan of the scooters. Are we going down here? I feel like we could go down here.
Well, we actually made it.
We just had 2 dinners.
McDonald's, third.
We're not going to McDonald's.
That sucks.
I think you're so funny, we're a skateboard.
Do you want to get into this building or not?
Nope. Why are you so shit at this? Give me that card.
No way.
Oh. Mine's absolutely banzaxed. You did to my card. You did to my card.
Mine doesn't work either.
Where's our scooters? Hey, how's it going, man? How's it going? All good?
Yeah.
I think we lost David on the way here.
He was complaining about the car, so I'm a bit worried when we left. So
Day 3, Sweden. We were somewhere that looks like a movie set. Backlot. And we're basically setting up this on James' new car. James got a car. He's not here at the minute. Don't know where James went. Don't really care. Didn't really like our guy. Good to go. We're good to go.
Alright.
Baby. Daddy cool. Yeah, I got song.
You stop singing.
Sorry. Finished the rollers. This thing's pretty awesome, like really happy with how this thing performs, though we haven't actually, at this point, no video has been released or edited that we've actually used this for, so who knows, it could actually turn out to be absolutely terrible, but no, it's pretty cool. It's pretty secure. We put 2 safety lines on it as well, if you was wondering. This one here is a ratchet that goes around the whole thing, locks into it, so that should hold it. We would slip it a little bit if the suction cups come off. And this one here goes around this plate in case any of these break. And then we don't have a safety that goes around the movie itself, so the movie completely relies on this toad mount. But if I put a safety around that, realistically it would just drag it along the floor with the car. Which, is that better than just dropping it on the floor? I don't know. So what's next is the guys, we're going to get some drinks and yeah, coffee. It's very warm, James. 27 degrees today.
It's very hot.
It's hot again,
Very
which
hard.
is very good. Very hot, very good. Jim's taking some photos. And then I'm gonna fly the drone here. Is this, we're pretty much in the center of Stockholm, yeah?
Yeah.
So I'll maybe just before we leave, do like a 5-minute lap to get some B-roll.
Yep.
And then, I don't know, some suction cup mountains, I suppose. I think that's about us, really. So yeah, obviously the lost my drone. You know, these things are pretty common now, so someone just basically gives you another one. You lose one, you get a free one. Maybe we should just not carry one with us,
Yeah,
so we can lose other people's.
that would work. Then you wouldn't be out of pocket.
Exactly.
What's Stockholm look like?
Looks good actually from the air.
Oh yes, it's lovely. All right.
Maybe something like that. Does that
Yeah.
work?
Let's go.
Just gotta figure out where the center is.
Oh.
Oh. Sorry. I had something in my hand.
Here. Alright, so took a 35-minute scooters, I almost called them carts, scooter ride here. That's basically it.
Let's go have
It's a
some
bit of
fun.
a patchy vlog, but I'm sure Big C will put interesting things in between everything I'm saying. Like here, like here, like here. And now we're here.
360.
Let's go.
We're going on a blue one.
I love roller coasters. It's my favorite thing.
I'm gonna put it in the wee thing. Wow! A whole new flying! Yeah, it's pretty lit.
That was the theme park.
It's good. Beer, food, and roller coasters. What can beat it? You know what I mean?
Should we go
What
get
about you,
scooters?
James? Like, you're not really a big fan of theme parks, so I want to hear your opinion.
I had a really good time.
You didn't want to go in that upside down one, though?
No, it was a bit too much. Too much fun for one day. Had enough. Should we get scooters?
Scooters. Always scooters. Hey!